We've got the course objectives on the screen now. There are a lot of objectives because we cover a lot of material. We cover the entire textbook that you have with you, starting with the major components of the engineering print, the drawing, dimensions, and notes. We then navigate the entire manufacturing print, including understanding different line types, identifying the scale, understanding language that's used in symbols, finding and recognizing information on the title block, as well as other components of the print. Through lots of graphics and worksheet practice, you'll begin to feel comfortable visualizing the three-dimensional nature of manufactured parts based upon multiple two-dimensional views that appear on the print. These views have a variety of types: basic views, auxiliary views, partial views, and several different styles of section views. From this, we'll begin to understand the dimensions and the tolerances that are found on the print and feel comfortable interpreting them properly according to recognized industry standards. And this includes geometric dimensioning and tolerancing. This will enable us to calculate minimum and maximum allowable dimensions for measurements of the part. We will look at and understand the standard symbols that are used to communicate surface texture requirements and surface texture treatments and coatings. We'll interpret symbols and notes that communicate unique manufacturing requirements that are not directly dimensioned on the prints. We'll be able to analyze the drawing's features, the symbols, and the notes that are unique to castings, forgings, and molded part prints. You'll read the basic weld symbols and interpret their meaning. You'll see bend indications and developed drawings. You'll see the unique features, symbols, and notes for gears, splines, and cams. And finally, we'll look beyond the single part print to a variety of different prints used to communicate different information in the manufacturing process. Now, the course gives lots of opportunity for hands-on practice. You have many worksheets that will be assigned while you'll work in teams. You have your worksheet solutions where we can check, and you can continue to perform worksheet activities after the course is over to continue to grow your own understanding of the material.